Morning to all. Today we see about the topic is measuring of gear parameters. Okay. First, what is gear? Gear is the one of the transmission element. Okay. So this is the gear, spur gear. The lot of gears is there. One is the spur gear, second one is the helical gear, and third one is the bevel gear, and fourth one is the worm gear. A lot of gear is there, but the four gears is majorly used in design of transmission systems. Okay, design of transmission systems. First, what is transmission systems? Transmission system means to transmit the power from one area to another area or one surface to another surface. Okay, so this is a important transmission systems. Okay, so this is a spur gear. Why it is called as a spur gear means this is a gear teeth. The gear teeth surface is the straight surface. If it is the gear teeth surface is the angled surface means that is a helical gear. Okay, but major advantages is the spur gear is good compared than helical gear. Okay, so in this spur gear the gear teeth is very important. Okay, so in this gear I draw the circle above the top of the teeth means that is the outside diameter or major diameter. I cut all the teeth, so you draw the one circle means that is a minor diameter, okay, or inside diameter. So the in between the diameter is the pitch circle diameter, okay. It is the imaginary circle, okay, pitch circle diameter. Second one is the before going to the measurement, the important parameter module. Module is very important. Why module means important means in measurement zone the module is major play in areas. Okay, so the module is the ratio of the pitch circle diameter to number of teeth. So the number of teeth is very important. Number of teeth means just simply you count the number of teeth. This is a 1 2 3 4 like you count all the teeth means for example in this gear 25 teeth. Okay, the number of teeth is 25 teeth. Next, measurement zone. In this measurement zone I have taken the gear tooth vernier caliper. Okay, so in this vernier caliper is having two scales. One is the Y scale and second one is the X scale. Okay, this is a locking screw. So this is a locking screw. The locking screw is majorly used to move from top surface to bottom surface or bottom surface to top surface. And also in this X scale the locking screw is majorly used from to left to right or right to left. Easily you can move. Okay, and also lock the scales. Okay, so this is a main scale and this is a vernier scale. Okay, so the main scale is major value and also this is a vernier scale. In this vernier scale simply you count down the value is the 50 lines, that is a 50 lines. Okay, so 50 lines is directly marked on the vernier scale. In this main scale the value is in the centimeter values. Some type of verniers is having values. Okay, majorly two categories. One is centimeter category and second one is the categories. Okay, and then this is a module restrictor. So this area is the module restrictor. The module restrictor, already I told the what is module. Okay, so the module restrictor is major play in gear measurement. Okay, so OE means the spur gear shape is the inclined surface. For example, the spur gear is flat surface means there is no problem. Simply you have to take the single vernier, that is the X scale vernier only. It's enough to measure the thickness of the gear. But this type of spur gear is inclined surface. The gear teeth will be inclined surface. So that is a major problem. So in inclined surface means you have to on some doubt this area or this area. So this area, which point of area is decided by the module restrictor. Okay, module restrictor. So the module restrictor is the simply you restrict the point. So that is also very important. Okay, the module restrictor is the simply I have selected the one teeth means the restrictor is to control the depth of the teeth. Okay, so depth of the level, the depth of the level is the exact word. Okay, so the module restrictor is the one of the important role in gear measurements. Okay, so the Y scale is controlled by the module restrictor and also simply you measure the value, thickness value from X scale. Okay, so this is a simple method. And also I have, this is a gear, I have the flat surfaces and also I measure the one area. Okay, so the model restrictor will be this, and lock the screw. So that value is the simply that value is the 1 to 2 in between gap. Okay, that is a 1.5 centimeter. So that the thickness value is the 1.5 centimeter. Okay, thank you.